In today's video, I will be showing you how to use the group by clause within your query function to aggregate your data here in Google Sheets. So if you want to combine some data or get the total of all of those combined data, you can definitely do that with your group by clause within your query function. Let's get started. In my example data right here, I have the product purchase, the quantity, the price, and the total purchase. So what I want to do with my example data set right here is to combine all the products or the similar products and have their total quantity calculated right here. Let's go ahead and do that with our group by clause within our query function. I will be starting my formula here in the header section because with our query function, the results always include the headers from our data. So let's start with our equal sign. Type in query or select it right here. The next part of our syntax would be our data. So let's go ahead and select that. There we go. Comma. Now for a query, you always start with your quotation marks for your query. So go ahead and put those. There you have it. And the first part would be our select clause. So we're going to be selecting our column A right here where our products are located. There we have it, comma. Next part would be what we want to do with our aggregated data. And that's going to be getting the total of all our quantity right here. So go ahead and put in sum. In open and close parentheses would be column B where our quantity is located. Close that off. Space, and start with your group by clause. So type in group by, and we're going to be grouping this by our selected column, which is column A. There you have it. Let's close that off with our closing quotation marks, closing parentheses, and press enter. And there you have it. We have aggregated all of our camera bags, camera lenses, memory cards, and tripods, as well as their total quantity for each of these products right here. So you'll see that our header is also populated right there. Again, all of those will be included once you select your data. And lastly, if you want to add your total purchase as well, you can definitely do that. Just add it right here after your sum B, comma, put in the sum or the total for your total purchase, which is column D. In parentheses as well, if you press enter, there you have it. It has populated our third column, column H, with the aggregated data based on the selected column from our product purchase. So that's how you can use your group by clause to aggregate your data within your query function here in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.